Explosion-proof electrical equipment plays a crucial role in hazardous environments, but it also comes with significant safety risks. These risks stem from improper installation, mechanical damage, inadequate electrical connections, and poor maintenance practices. One of the most critical hazards is the failure to properly install equipment. Even slight errors in installation can result in dangerous leaks of flammable gases or vapors. This is why proper equipment selection is essential, ensuring it's suitable for the specific explosive atmosphere. Another common issue is mechanical damage. This can occur from mishandling or from wear and tear over time. Mechanical failure can expose electrical components to the environment, increasing the likelihood of sparks, heat buildup, or short circuits, all of which can lead to explosions. Electrical connections must also be tightly secured. Loose or faulty wiring can cause overheating, creating potential ignition sources. Similarly, inadequate grounding can result in electrical shocks or even fires. To avoid these risks, regular inspections and maintenance are key. Preventive measures to address these issues include selecting explosion proof equipment that meets international safety standards. This equipment must be installed by qualified professionals who will also ensure that all components are properly sealed and grounded. It's also important to use certified components for replacements, as uncertified parts can compromise the system's integrity. Adequate ventilation systems are necessary to prevent dangerous heat buildup, and the equipment should be regularly inspected to catch any signs of damage or wear before they lead to a serious issue. By implementing these preventive measures, workplaces can mitigate the risks associated with explosion proof electrical equipment and ensure both safety and operational efficiency.